So today we'll be showing you how to replace some old light switches. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the circuit breaker and you're just going to turn off the current that goes to the light switches. These are the two light switches that I'm going to be replacing. So you want to take a drill and we're just going to remove the screws here for the first and then for the second light switch. After you're done with that, you want to pull it out just a little bit because we want to test the current, make sure there's no power going through them, just to double check and be safe. So you want to do that for both of them, okay? These are the new light switches that I'll be replacing the old ones with. So we will just be unscrewing it there on the bottom and on the top. You want to just unscrew the wires there and remove them with some pliers. Okay, and you just want to replace them back in the same exact spot there. And then screw them on just nice and snug. And we'll be doing the same for the other light switch. So same thing as the other, you want to just unscrew both top and bottom screws. Use some pliers just to remove them, just because they're a lot easier to remove with the pliers. And then we'll just attach the new light switch. And for myself, I do like to put electrical tape just for a bit of added security there. And here you can see me doing the same thing for the other light switch. And once that's all done, we'll take the drill and we'll just screw these light fixtures back into the wall. And we want to make sure they're straight and level because what we'll be using is a double fixture faceplate. So we want to make sure that that goes in properly as well. So you just want to screw them in just a little bit on each side, and then once you're close to the end, you want to just adjust them accordingly as so. And the fixture seems like it fits on perfect, and we'll just manually screw those in with a screwdriver. And then afterwards we'll turn on the power and we'll check the light fixtures, make sure everything's working properly. And there we go. Thanks for watching the video.